Hi guys. It is currently 12:30, midnight 30, yeah, half past midnight 30 yeah, it's 12:30 and it's almost 1 in the morning. And I haven't made a video in a while, and I thought I would just say hello to y'all. I'm at my papa's house. I've been here for a couple days. I just don't tell people because I'm antisocial like that. I'm so tired. So, how are y'all doing? Oh my gosh, so I just watched Rise of the Guardians like 3 days ago, and since the first time I've watched it, I've probably watched it like 5 or 6 times the past like 3 days. I love that movie so much. Like, I want that movie for my birthday. Quite literally. Like, if somebody got me that movie on DVD for my birthday, I would cry. I'd be so happy. There are like 4 more movies I want, but you know, I'm gonna die over Beast. I'm gonna be over Beast when I die because I'm so lazy. Like, you don't even know. My sister makes me work out with her, and that's kind of it. But I had just like 20 minutes ago, okay, probably like at midnight, I was like, oh, I want to take off my shoes, and they have velcro on them. They are freaking velcro shoes, the easiest things in the entire world, and I was like, ugh. And I couldn't take them off. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna take them off, I guess. And I got up like 5 minutes ago, and I took them off, and I was like, oh, that wasn't as hard as I thought it was. I'm so lazy. I love it. I went on a hike today with my sister, and I found a weed, and I was like, this is a cool weed, because, like, it wasn't like those ones that are all dried up, and you touch them, and they fall apart, and it's like, ew. It was, like, dead and dry, and it wasn't falling apart, and I put it in my hair, because I put my hair all back in a little pony. Oh, look, I cut my hair. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but I cut it, and it's, like, to here now, instead of however long it was before. I don't even care about my hair anymore, just, like, I want to start wearing it like this. It's pretty attractive. But yeah, it's gonna be great because I forgot what I was saying. I was talking about a weed, wasn't I? I was talking about the cool weed I found. Oh yeah, then I was thinking, okay, so like, if I die and I become like how Jack Frost became Jack Frost, and when he died, I was just like, if I die, I'm sorry if I spoiled it for anybody, but if I die, I really hope that I could become like Mother Nature, and I'll use that little weed I found. It'd be like my magic wand, and I'll be like, it'll be awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna go to bed now, so actually I'm probably gonna stay up for about 2 more hours. I haven't decided yet. I'm really tired. I'm just... Right now Family Guy's on. I don't really watch Family Guy. I'm probably gonna turn on Rise of the Guardians again. I just finished watching it like an hour ago. Actually, like 39 minutes ago. So I might watch it again. Yeah. Don't ask me. I've been driving around a lot lately. I don't know why, but I just have been. My toe really hurts. I don't know why. Is that a bruise? Oh, I thought I had a bruise on my leg. I was like, ah! There's a mirror right there so I can see. I'm gonna go now. Because I'm just talking gibberish. Nonsense. Look at those teeth. I'm gonna be getting braces. I don't know when, but I'm gonna get them. Yep. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you have a beautiful night, day, whatever. Bye, guys. I love you all. You know, it could be like messed up heart. Bye.